Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Alfredo sauce Jamaican style. Start by toasting minced garlic in butter over medium heat until fragrant, then add heavy cream and simmer gently. Stir in grated Parmesan a little at a time until smooth, then season with pimento, a pinch of nutmeg, and Scotch bonnet flakes for heat. Finish with chopped scallions and a squeeze of lime to brighten the sauce and serve over pasta. Gather ingredients before you start so the process flows easily. Butter, garlic, heavy cream, grated Parmesan, pimento, allspice, Scotch bonnet flakes, scallions, and lime. Measure the cream and cheese to maintain balance and chop aromatics finely for even flavor release. Keep a small bowl of reserved pasta water to adjust consistency. Taste as you go and add spices gradually to cook the garlic gently to avoid bitterness, then add cream and bring to a low simmer. Whisk in Parmesan off the heat to prevent graininess, and fold in pimento and a tiny pinch of allspice for warmth. If sauce gets too thick, whisk in a tablespoon of reserved pasta water at a time until desired texture is reached. Stir in chopped scallions and lime juice last for a bright finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.